I'm sharing already. Yeah, we can start.
Okay. I am Sirisha. Hi, Sanjeev. I am Sirisha. First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I have overall 3.5 years of Azure DevOps engineer. And I have good knowledge on Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes, Git, and Maven, and configuration management tool, Ansible, and Terraform, like some AWS services like EC2, S3, and PPC. Coming to my roles and responsibilities, like we are providing 24 by 7 with the rotational shift, and mainly we started the shift for mainly checking for the mailbox, what is the issue, so what will do what will do and what will do the any challenges need to do, like any tickets are raised, so based on that we will start the work.
Mailbox monitoring.
Not mailbox, like mailbox checking, like
Okay.
not mailbox monitoring, mails checking.
Okay.
And that based on that we need to start the work, and mainly responsible for in get dev UAT strategies, like any staging issues, user acceptance test need to check, so that and all based on worked on that. And
Mhm.
mainly I have good knowledge on Docker and Kubernetes and GitLab. I have good experience on AWS services also, or how to create EC2 instance, and how to monitoring the S3 buckets, and then in Azure also I have good knowledge, like only basic knowledge, but how to create VMs and how to connect the subnets. So that and all I have good knowledge on that, Sanjeev. So this is my responsibilities
Okay. Okay.
as a
So
DevOps.
all these 3.5 years, are you working as a DevOps engineer, or was it split into some different other roles also?
Actually, I started my career with as a Linux administrator.
Okay.
My manager given to me chance, already you have Linux knowledge, so
Mhm.
you can move to the DevOps.
So how
So
much experience we can say on DevOps related tools?
related tools, 2 years.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah, recently actually I am using the Docker. We did one implementation. That one is Tata Sky to Tata Play. So that implementation we will did that.
Is that
Uh,
related to IPL?
yes, IPL. Actually, that implementation is Genesis projects, like a telecommunication project.
Okay. Okay.
Tata Sky to Tata Play, we did that implementation.
Okay.
My manager given to me that opportunity, so
Got it.
I did last time that.
What was your roles and responsibilities in that project?
That project, support engineers is there. So
Okay.
that time, any applications errors, the support engineers need to open that particular application. Like in that, so many servers is there, like SIG server, VAT server, uh, like uh, some credentials issues also we can solve, and we can give the like a
But
way.
that sounds like a support kind of role, right? Not an implementation.
No, no, no. Actually, my role is implementation. Sometimes also we need to support that. support team also. If in case they supported or support engineers, they don't know anything. So
Mhm.
that time definitely approach it to me like Linux
Okay.
administrator as a DevOps engineer. What is the issue? Why we didn't open the this application? So that time need to check like any server is like any service is stopped or not, any port number is started or not. So that and all need to check and need to give the solutions. This is the issue. So this is
Okay.
the.
Which is your strong area now? Now you consider Linux admin. Is that the strong area, or you have now matured into DevOps?
Both. Actually, I started my career with Linux administrator. My manager is given to me opportunities is one by
Mhm.
one.
Okay.
So sorry. I have both Linux and DevOps, like in Jenkins.
Okay.
When
So this discussion is mainly for DevOps engineer, but obviously Linux admin experience adds to that. That is very
uh,
basic, and that is a
yes,
good
yes.
value addition to this role.
Yes, actually, I am looking for also DevOps engineer.
Right.
Just I am saying to my skills, that's it. Actually, I am not looking for Linux administrator. I am looking for only DevOps engineer.
Okay. So now coming to that DevOps role, uh, what I have seen, like, I hope that's not the case with you, but what I have seen, a lot of Linux admin and people who have been doing manual activities, they struggle doing the kind of automation required in the DevOps area. So are you comfortable with scripting and any kind of automation required in DevOps?
Yeah, and civil.
So which tools that you have used in the DevOps where you are very comfortable with?
Tools means Jenkins,
Okay,
Git and GitLab,
okay,
Maven,
okay.
and then
Have you
Maven.
used Ansible?
Yeah, Ansible for configuration management for automation purpose.
Yeah, so I have seen system admins usually, looking at Ansible or Puppet or Chef kind of tools, and they can pick up that easily. So which version
Yeah,
of Ansible did you use?
Ansible like 4.5 version version 4.5.
Okay, and any flavor of Ansible? Was it uh, open source? Was it
Yeah,
Semaphore or any
no, no,
any
open source only. Open
open
source
source? Okay. So can you tell me how Ansible works and what did you do with that?
only. Okay, actually, Ansible is a configuration management. Like here, we can use playbooks. Playbooks means one of the software.
Mhm.
So in here that we can write like we can write script also in playbooks. So that time we can give the commands like Ansible installation, and then need to give Ansible and playbook. So this is the process of Ansible structure. So
Okay. Can you give
we
me
are
a sort of folder structure, how Ansible playbook is structured? What goes into that?
playbook structure means it is Ansible is it's not a manual process. It is a automation process.
Right.
So if in case a manual process means we can do like everything one by one. So in automation we are using the Ansible. At the same time uh, we can do the like we can do same time automation like
No, I got it. I understand that. Uh, any like what are those specific files or in that structure when you create an Ansible playbook? Where are the hosts stored, inventory?
yeah,
Uh,
slash etc and slash host, so slash inventory. So here only the place that based on particular files.
okay. Have you really done work on Ansible that much? Like, uh, What if you have, where is the configuration for Ansible?
/etc/hosts
Okay.
only.
If you want to override that configuration, you don't want that /etc configuration to be applied. How would you do that?
/etc.
Like wherever the default Ansible configurations are there,
Okay.
right? Wherever the Ansible configurations are maintained, but you don't want that configuration to be applied. You have a specific playbook which where you want some different configuration to be applied. How will you?
So, okay, so that time we are creating one particular folder.
Mhm. What is that folder?
What is that folder means based on based on project. Like if in case we are doing some based on project, I will give you one example. First of all, Tata Sky. Tata Sky is one of the project.
Mhm.
So that time we are creating the one directory. So that
Right.
time MKDIR and Tata that project name.
Right.
So that time need to move the through Vinasipi need to move the playbooks.
Okay.
So that time you need to do the command like chmod 777, like we need to give the all permissions. So that file name. So it's automatically when you are created the when you are created the file or folder, it's automatically created SSH process. Like this is the shell secure process.
Mhm.
So that's why automatically it's default some files is created. So that time configuration files we need to check the /etc path.
Okay.
So that path only we need to run the playbooks. So playbooks
Okay.
is a software. So that time here we need to change anything like IP address, like port number and project number. So that time we are using VI editing
Can
files.
you bring,
That
is
time
it
it is
possible you are joined through laptop? Can you share your laptop, maybe write a hello world Ansible playbook?
Ansible playbook. Okay. Mm. In chart only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In not in chat, in you can share your screen if that's possible. You can share not notepad alone, like don't have to share everything, just notepad.
Okay, sure. Hello,
Yeah,
can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't see your screen. Like, can you share your screen notepad or something? And
Yeah,
uh,
yeah. One sec, I will check.
yeah,
Okay.
yep. If you can maybe briefly give just a hello world Ansible playbook. And if you can like explain also what you are doing, you can explain as well in parallel.
Okay. This is the hyphen. Actually, this is three indicated the
Yeah.
channel targets and values. Like when you are given to the how to uh, how to create the file.
Okay.
File.
What does host colon means?
Host column means like this is the path.
Path of the
Hello.
path of what?
Uh, Host path.
Okay.
And then
What is name? His name of the.
name of the hello world. This is the one of the word of the
Okay.
when what will we do to the word.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Just I will give example that IP address.
Okay.
This is the one of the simple playbook. If
Okay.
in case manually install and
So basically this will.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Please go ahead. Is it enough? Is this done?
Hello.
Is this all? This playbook?
Uh, Playbooks means actually I need to write any time. Actually, my manager is given to me playbooks. So that time we need to change any IP address, like any editing points only we did.
Hmm.
So actually, this is the process. Hyphen host name, path name,
Right. Right. Right.
status,
But this is
status
very
address.
high level understanding. This does not mean you can write fresh Ansible playbooks. I thought you being from system admin, you would have used Ansible extensively, and this would be your strong point. Okay, on the Azure DevOps side.
Ca- Can I stop this?
Yeah, yeah, please. Yeah, sorry.
Share?
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. You can stop this.
Yeah, thank you.
On the Azure DevOps, uh, how do you manage the secrets in Azure DevOps? Passwords and
How to manage security or
security,
secrets?
secrets, username, password. Where do you keep them?
Uh, Here, one folder is there. Actually, that client, we can get the client. Like they can given to me the one location. So we need to store that particular locations. We can get the VPS, virtual private network, VPC, right?
Mhm.
Like VPN, virtual private network. So that time, hello,
Yeah, yeah,
VPN means it is also one of the security credentials, like based on project.
okay.
So if in case we can log in the system and we can log out the system, that time only we are using the VPNs only. So the same time in Azure portal also, vendor is given to me, wherever given to the vendor also, so they can provide to me. So that credentials and all, my manager is maintain. So
Okay.
that time when you are when you are entered project, so that time is need to fill the one form.
Mhm.
Need to fill the form based on security purpose. If in case some peoples are also misusing,
Mhm.
so that purpose need to apply the manual process Sirisha,
And
that
how will your
particular.
pipeline will fill the form? How your pipeline needs some database password or some password? How will the Azure DevOps process will know the secrets?
I know the secret means when you are enter the tool, that time only you need to give that credentials. Actually, in my last projects, they will given to me credentials. So actually, we will follow that process only. Actually, based on projects, based on client requirement, they have own process is there. So they
Okay.
followed that process.
But
If
that
in
is
case I
your
know this
credential.
process, I will
That
follow.
is that is your credentials to log into Azure DevOps or any company applications.
Yeah.
But after Azure DevOps is used for, say, building some application or deploying any application, that's why you
Uh,
use Azure DevOps, right?
yeah.
It
Yes.
needs some
Only
username
pipe.
password to connect to database, or it needs some credentials. I was asking more for those username and password. Where do you store them?
Yes. When you are creating I will give you one example.
Mhm.
When you are creating Jenkins,
Mhm.
so that time you need to create a username and password.
Right.
So that time you need to based on for example, I have own Jenkins application. That time I need to give my name is Sirisha, password is Sirisha at the rate of 123. I need to give, but this is a real project. We don't have any we don't have any authority. They will given to me credentials. They will
Okay.
given to the particular based on tool passwords. That passwords only we need to enter. We need to open the tool, then only we need to do the process, like how to create a jobs and how to create the files and how to how to install the plugins. So that time is that this is the process in
Sure, sure,
Jenkins.
sure, sure. Okay, got it. I got some understanding. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, and I have made some notes as well, like based on your skill set.
Yeah.
Uh,
Actually, you are the more seniors in front of me. Actually, I have
that's
only 3.5 years only. So, if in case my skill or how to explain me, please consider me. Actually, I have multiple skills. If in case we are in implementation part and any deployment applications need to deployment applications we are using the database also. That time I need to go to the database database team, so that and
Mhm.
also I learn own knowledge. If in
Okay.
case I learn own, I need to go that particular patterns. If in case they have some work, Sirisha, I have some work, so that and all no need to take that words. So that and also I learn only.
Sure.
Actually, I am not a part of that. Actually, I am a DevOps engineer, but I need to I need to create some databases also. I need to learn one way. Then
Correct.
I will. Then I
Sure.
will do.
Sure. Sure. Definitely, we have positions for different experience level and roles,
Okay.
and we'll try to see where you fit into.
Sure.
Oh, all right then. Best of luck.
Okay.
Thank you.